Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and click the notification button so that you can post more videos. You will be the first to be notified if you have subscribed here before. Thank you, God bless you. My darling people, today topic now about, I want to tell you now some friends where you feel wrong for. Some kind of friends where you feel pick race for, where you feel borrow leg, join leg till run for. And I will tell you the kind of friends where be say you not go fit stay with. Yeah. Because there are some friends, my people. There are some friends where be say you not fit stay with. There are some where you fit stay with. You know me say good friends not they still dey, but bad ones not gonna let us know the good ones. Bad ones, they not let us know the good ones. That is why you see some people now. They will say, I don't want to make friend again because of what he does see for friends. And because there are some friends, you go even regret why you know them. Really, there are some friends you go regret why you know them. For me, if you ask me, there are some friends where we say any friend where they keep what you want use against you later. Maybe you know say friends now, friends that they gist, friends that they gossip. You know me say maybe una talk about somebody before and una come quarrel, you come begin to bring that thing out why use them against you. Run for such friends. Run for such friends. They know what to be your friend. Any friend where they keep something for you, you go keep them. They wait more than quarrel. Then you can't use them against you later. That will not be your friend, my dear. Run for such friends. If you ask me, that will not be your friend. And you know what where they forget? You will do this thing now. You do and say me you take spoil on that person. You want go bring pass what it don't happen before. You want to use them against that person. You forget say the people we go see and we go hear them. They go see they careful for you. Though they careful, they don't want to tell you anything again because they will know say so you be person like this. You have to do this kind of thing to your friend. You still do it to another person now. You don't know. So now be one thing I don't understand. For me, I don't sabi keep something now, can't keep them. They wait, make me with that my friend quarrel. I can't go talk, say, you not tell me something about this person. That person know what to be your friend. If you get that kind of person as a friend, they run for them, not be your friend. If you get what they do for you, or if na money they give you, get one big thing what they do for you, my dear, run. Because such person fit meme you. Yeah. A person will go fit keep something for you, go keep am. And that maybe na voice record you send to Ram, or you write something to Ram, you go keep am. They wait more than quarrel so that you can't use them against you later. Run for such friends. Those people know what to be your friend. And be careful for the kind of friend when you go to choose. Be careful for some kind of friends where be say you go dey happy for them, they not dey happy for you. Be careful for people where you go they do good for. Be careful really, because I don't say they're not the right and for forehead. They're not the right and nobody they perfect. But any friend where go fit keep something for you, they wait more than quarrel. That person know what to be your friend. That person know what to even call your friend. Then that one are number one. Number two, a friend will be say, if una quarrel, you know they ever want make you reconcile with you. If they always want maybe say now you go come they beg and more as in now so you they always want maybe una quarrel. You know go want, you go just forget everything overnight. You know go want make it even be say it go cause you una settle. Like me now, you get where with my friend go, person when I really love as my friend. I get one friend like that. Me with him with a quarrel, with what they follow each other, they come for 10 years. with the quarrel. We tell us if we quarrel today, they insult each other today. You not go even believe say we go settle self. You not go even believe say we go even they play. But if we want settle, nobody they settle us. Nobody they settle us. Now me with we just settle each other by ourselves. Maybe na me will call and say, Mumu, you don't verse finish. She too go see insult me. From there we'll start to play again. But any friend will be say, it always they wait me be say, now so you go they want on they meet them, they reconcile with them. Run for such friend. That person not worth to be your friend, my dear. It always look only himself, say no, I don't go call him more. It always forget the good time when I get together. It always forget how I take day. You know, I don't know, tell people say a friendship is like a relationship. Yeah, it's like a relationship. A friendship, if another person want come day inside, maybe third party want come join una, either the other one go dey jealous or the other one go dey jealous. You will say, this one want come, so don't be scatter, one come scatter also. And there are some people like that, really. So any friend where they always wait, maybe say una quarrel, and so you, now go come they call am una settle. So you, now they always they come una settle. Run for such person. That person not worth to be your friend. Yeah, you know what am. That is number 2. Number 3. If na so you, now they always carry the friendship. We be say, you don't say if 2 friends they waka, they'll say one must come down for one. If na so you, they always they come down for friends, my dear. Stop. Because me, I felt they do one before too. So you, now they always they come down. They come down, follow am. They as in they begin go say you the lele. You the now so you, now they always they come down, follow am. So you, my dear. Change. Make she to see come down, follow you. Not be only you one. Go just they come down, they come down, they follow friend. Anything you do, you just say, ma overlook him. You know, ma overlook him. My dear, if now that kind of person you be, stop him. Yeah, make she to see come down, follow you. Make she come down, follow. Not because so you. Then go just they come down, they follow friend. Or because of I want keep my relationship. My dear, who friendship help? If you do friend, do, you say the friendship not they work out. My dear, just if you get husband and children, just take them as your friend. Because there is no friend there. I don't say good friends not there, but I'll say it really did difficult now to even find a good friend. Because friends who come they see these days, sometimes I'm going to wonder they send this pencil come. Yeah, that number 1 when I first talk about just now. And number 4. You see that number 1 when I first talk about that time. Any friend will be say if they keep something to use against you later. If they keep something to use against you later. I first talk for that number 1 just now. Say run for such friend. And let's assume say you talk about your friend. You gossip your friend. When una dey quarrel, maybe you gossip your friend. You gossip somebody for your friend. And tomorrow come reach. You can't hear that thing for outside. Okay, no, let's assume say I tell somebody something about me and they know the person are my friend. Then I will come go here for outside say still waiting. That person call them say this person not be your friend though. So what they talk about you. Run for them. My dear, I go advise me not run for them. Yeah. Because you never see one person they talk with the other one not go just talk at all. No, don't ever see them. You go just they talk, the other one not go just talk. A guy you be now. That one not the possible now. Say only you one, I just do the talking. The other one not just the talk. Okay, what you can they do when you wait they tell me the thing as I see what somebody talk about me. You not contribute, you not talk anything. Abi? You not just talk at all. You just only just sit down, they look as they talk. No, you must still talk one word now. Yeah. But if the person won't tell you, he not go tell you the one way you do. You go only talk the one way, the other one talk. But the one way she do, she not go talk. That is people for you. You see me, I'm a very wise girl. There is nothing where somebody go tell me, say, if I dey follow friend, even though say the things you really happen for, I really do am for our president, and I call you for our side, I don't go vex. You know why? Ask me, say, why I don't go vex for that, my friend? I don't go vex because I believe, say, now talk, they bring talk. You understand? There are some people that can use brain for you to want to know something about your friend. The one way you can talk, now they will come, they carry, they go. But if you na wise person, tell me when you with that person they play, not be one on a quarrel. You come begin to tell me, say, so what did this person talk about me? And you come expect me to make me believe you. Come move that, my friend. I not go boof am. Now you be the bad person. Why you not tell that since one at the play? Why person I want a quarrel? You come begin to tell me. Are you kidding me right now? They don't look at me like a fool, like somebody that does not know what he's doing. Like it's like seriously? I know go boof am. It don't ever happen to me before. One of my friends. Now so the other woman, they as the quarrel begin to tell me, now so they dog boof this guy. I said I know they boof am. How be you go tell me if I go boof am? He do. He say me, he insult me, talk everything. I don't go boof am because you know why? You not tell me one and then go things. You they tell me where the quarrel dey. Like seriously? Then I will come really like believe you. Like say that you can be the nice person. Who know whether are you worst? Who know? Why you they even tell me now? Why you not tell me? That is why you get one of my friend there. I don't know that my friend there in the UK. I don't know whether I'll feel boof that girl for life. She too wise. She too wise. If everybody wise like that lady, I believe say no friendship for the break. Yeah, and another of my friend again, with the Germany here too. You know, they're too wise. If somebody want bring you down, saying go destroy you, all because of what you tell them in the past, and you not be that kind of person again, you only tell them, but you can't say one use them against you. Say so that make your friend both you. My dear, run for such people. Anybody when they do that kind of thing, he believes say she they do and make they destroy you. At the same time, she they destroy herself. Because you know why? People will see them, will see one throne for you. They will not be free with you again. They cannot tell you anything. If they talk to you now, they fear. If you even send a voice record to them, they don't want to reply you because though they fear me, you don't go save their voice record. Though they fear me, you don't go talk something about them. Though they fear. So be careful. Choose your friend wisely. Be careful. Don't because of what you they get from that person, the truth you hide them, you don't want to talk. Not because of that one. You too go see learn. If quarrel they learn from that quarrel. Learn so that maybe you don't go fall victim. You know, go say, this really happen. I not learn that time. Learn, my dear. Learn. I like people will be say they just talk their things out, it will just come up for their mind. That's why I build. If I don't talk I don't talk If I converse or something, you know say the thing he pass Joromi, the thing we are agbada, he wear shokoto. That make me no one bring the thing down. But if not just normal thing, I know they even carry out for mind all those things. So you see friendship, you know, to keep friends is not easy. To do relationship, it be like a relationship of man. To build friendship, this is easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. And don't let anybody tell you say this person bad without you never near them. Near that person, if that person really be like that. Near them, you see whether what they talk about this person, whether not truth. And the person tell you say this person a bad person. Try make you know maybe they tell you about me now. This Lady Jane a bad person. This Lady Jane a this one. Try me you find that if Lady Jane really be like that. Try just find out say make a bad name this mama and see whether she really be waiting people they think say it be. But if by the time I say you not find that, you just want conclude for waiting that they talk. Now you're thorough. Now you can't know that time. You understand? Now you can't know that time. Tell me you can't know say, I use my aunt to throw away good friend though, or because of they say this one not say, this one say, and I know it's too late. My dear. So try and choose your friends wisely. Bad friends too many for this world. Bad friends, they're too many. They're too many. I dey watch, you get one video one of my fans sent for me once at a time. I dey watch and the woman they do marriage. The woman they dance, they bobo, they dance. In friend where they follow her dance there, they embrace them. If you see the bad eye where they look this woman. If you see the bad eye, don't say camera just video that part. The video they call the share for everywhere. If you see the high, it shows say she not just dey happy for that friend. She just dey vex. Then why you can't come the marriage where you know say you know they happy with them? Why you come the marriage? You for not come. You for not come the marriage. Not by force say you must come. But she was there. All because she not just like the woman. Either heaviness is a very bad thing. Heaviness, jealousy, very, very bad. Jealousy, very, very bad. Jealousy, heaviness, not good. More will stop to the heavy each other. More will stop to the jealous each other. If you're a jealous person, God can never do your own for you. That is one thing you people don't understand in this life. God will never do your own for you. Stop the hate. Stop the hatred. Why? Why would they hate each other? Where this life now just small word. Not be one big YouTuber made that day when they want bomb picking. That lady no say she go me first picking when she want born. She made the picking me. I see that day the boyfriend they cry. They cry. I cry for that girl. I cry because she don't plan for that baby. She don't do that's in the plan was too much. The way they decorate the room or because pikin they come. The way first pikin and the way the shark person. But she not gonna say the pikin. She meme the pikin meme. So why the hate for this world? Why we go to jealous each other? Why? Even this YouTube we see the jealous each other for this YouTube. This one gave you past meal. This one gets a subscriber past meal. Why? Why the jealousy? We be say this life, you don't know day will go break tomorrow. You don't know what will happen to you tomorrow. You don't know. They will come to jealous each other. Even these YouTube friends, be wise. Be wise for you make friends for this YouTube. Bad friends for this. Now this YouTube not even many pass. This YouTube friends. Just be careful. Be careful. Don't go use your hand carry problem. Before, if I see any upcoming YouTuber, I go want to help them. Say not be so. Say I tell they do am, but I stop them because of what happened to me. Because of one ungrateful person, I stop it. I don't go. I'll come say person. Nah, say I'm not go try and again. And before, yeah. Before, I know say now God deny the people for good way person do, but there are some kind of people where be say you go meet and you go regret your life. You go regret. Ungrateful people everywhere. Ungrateful people everywhere. Maybe somebody they do marriage when I told just now. He use bad eye. They look a friend. Friend they do marriage. They look calm. They look calm. Like seriously, like this one married now. Maybe she never marry. Heaviness everywhere. Jealousy everywhere. Heaviness everywhere. Jealousy everywhere. One have to be careful. See one video when I see that dinner. A friend, meme, a friend, because a friend, boyfriend buy a car for him, buy these all those the latest phone for him. Because of that one, meme a friend. Because of jealousy. The other one that day uncle, it meme a friend because a friend see money pass the way that they also. He say people make them go meme. Enviness can lead to anything. Jealousy can lead to everybody get that for body, but if they pass each other, if they pass each other, we will stop to the jealous each other. Why the hate? Why the hatred? Why? Why the hatred? Why the jealousy? Why? Why, my people? We will stop to do all those things. It's not good. So if you want to choose friend, you see this number of friends when I call just now, run for them. Run for them. They are not your friends. They are not your friends. They are not your friend, my dear. Wait, I'm coming. They are not your friend. Just try and run for such friends. Just run for them. They are not your friend, my dear. And I understand. So my people. Ẹ má gbọ́ mi o, ẹ má gbọ́ mi náà o. Èmi ní mi ẹ má gbọ́ mi, ọ̀nà náà lè yá sówégi o. My people, if you see something for life, sometimes you don't go fit talk am o. You don't go fit talk am. Oh, that is why I always sing this music. Words are not enough for me to say thank you. He has no gagbe, egi seme yakbomo o baba. He got away o baba, tiraji mome. I say no me o, he has it so waited degbe. O gba ore me, o magi gi o begi agba me. O si me kegbe o bagi ge me o sono. Emi ya na ge ya nya gbona babaru de na ya o. Ro de na ya o. Ge me bi gwe o. If I count my blessings and name them one by one, Iga when it test no say woman iga zeta tedegbe. If I should remember the good things that the Lord has done for me, Ru de na ya o. Ye me gwe o. You people will not understand why I be say this music I don't lose a singer. Because if I just remember some kind things, I go sing the music. Yeah. I go just say give thanks to God. Say, God, you do well. Pray, say, oh, you do good for me, not kill you. Pray. Pray, say, me you're good, make it not kill you for life. Go keep us what you do for. That's how it be. That's how it be, my people. Pray, say, oh, you do good for if they insult you today. You don't go ever remember what do you do for them. Oh, my darling people. That's why I talk this matter today. But be wise. You will go listen to this video. Be wise. You will watch me now. Be wise. Be wise. Because friends, not trust. Even your own mama or your sister, not trust them. Because of saying our friend, you won't go trust them. Trust nobody. Anybody that can save your voice record is not your friend. Anybody that can save what you people discuss together is not your friend. Anybody who go fit do that kind of thing. And if anybody send that kind of thing to you, tell the person, say, wait the one where you talk inside. You not just talk at all. Wait the one where you talk inside. Wait the one where you talk inside. Tell the person, make it send them to you. Not be only your own, you could just send. In your own call, you don't go send. Because you know it will keep you. it will want to destroy another person. So be wise, my darling people. Be wise. So I talk this matter rich today. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady Joy. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. Until I come your way next time again. Take care, everybody.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that